Check this out if you love smart solutions. If you've been looking for the absolute best gem online, this might just be the most satisfying purchase is worth every single penny. Everyone is talking about it lately, cause it feels incredibly high quality. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it makes your daily routine effortless, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this deal. Go ahead and check out the official product link available in the video description right now, right this second. Product link placeholder. Check this out if you love smart solutions.